Ngicela ukubuza just few simple questions, ne?
Okay.
Okay, what color is water?
What color is water? Blue. Colorless, months.
Colorless.
Yeah.
Okay, what color is H2O?
H2O. Musinte one le.
Angazi mina ngisho ngiyabuza, ngifuna ukwazi.
Angazi.
Oh, damn. I'm sorry.
Okay, yini aqua fresh?
Aquafresh. Aquafresh. You brand your Colgate.
Okay, if 2 are twins, 3 are triplets, and then 4 are
Ah, my phones. Angazi.
5 nyana next. Okay, oyi-1.
Oyiwani. How? Oyiwani. Angazi now.
Fucking idiot.
Okay. Okay, what's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
Fridge and a refrigerator.
Yes.
Aiki difference.
Oh, damn. I'm sorry.
Okay. Can you name 5 pets you know?
5 pets I know. I was 5. You want name always. What?
Hey, I'm a pet is number animals.
I'm a pet.
Yeah.
Okay. Dog, cat, donkey, obvious. Obvious. Cow.
What's going on?
Sheep. Yeah.
That is not correct.
Okay, name 5 snacks you know. Snacks.
Snakes. Listen, like mazy snakes. What? Simba. I'm a lazy. I'm a cheap. Snake haven. Last one. I'm a tortoise.
Okay, okay, last question, ne? Okay, what's the difference between a century and a decade?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's say okay, ifly isuke eSouth Africa iye eZimbabwe, ne? Icrasha phakathi naphakathi. Then kubona ama-survivors. Ama-survivors lawo bawangcwabe laphi? eSouth Africa or eZimbabwe?
Jama. Uthini?
God have mercy upon us.
Uthini?
I-plane isuke eSouth Africa iye eMozambique. Icrasha phakathi naphakathi. Phakathi nebhoda. Iyacrash iplane iyaphuka, ne? Kubona ama-survivors bawangcwabe laphi? eSouth Africa or eZimbabwe?
South Africa.
Sidlala ngobuchopho.
Why South Africa?
Why South Africa? Ngiyabangapha ngisho iplane isuka ngapha.
Okay, one last question ke. Ikukhu yakwakho ibekele ngakamakhelwane. Ne, ibekele amacana kamakhelwane. Amacana la ngwakabani?
Ngewethu say2. Yeah.
Okay, thank you ne. Konje ngibani kama?
Spesihle.
Specific. Okay, thanks.